We humans love to think we've got Earth all figured out, right? We've mapped its mountains, plumbed its oceans, but we still haven't found Bigfoot. So, let's be honest, if our own planet can still surprise us, imagine the mysteries hiding out there in the vastness of space. And trust me, 2024 has been one for the cosmic books. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, as we blast through the top 10 most surprising facts about space this year. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Black holes, those cosmic vacuum cleaners that gobble up everything in their path, are already pretty metal. But here's a twist. They also hum. Imagine the deepest, most bass-heavy note you've ever heard. Now imagine that note 57 octaves lower than middle C. That's the sound of a black hole singing its heart out. Now before you go looking for a cosmic subwoofer, this sound is too low for our human ears to pick up. But trust me, it's out there, vibrating through the fabric of space-time. It's a sound that speaks to the hidden symphony of the universe, a melody only the cosmos can truly hear. And if that doesn't make you want to learn astrophysics, I don't know what will. Remember when we thought the moon was as dry as a desert? Well, scratch that. Turns out our lunar neighbor has been hiding a secret stash of water ice, and we're not talking about a couple of cosmic ice cubes. We're talking enough H2O to make a whole ocean jealous. Recent missions have uncovered vast reserves of water ice lurking in the shadows of the moon's polar craters. This is game-changing, folks. This means future lunar bases, moon mining, and maybe even moon water parks are closer than we ever imagined. Move over, Earthlings. It's time for a lunar pool party. Alright, time for a mind-bending exercise. Imagine you've got a super-duper car that can defy gravity and drive straight up at a cool 60 miles per hour. Think you'll reach space in a few hours? Nope. It would take you over a month of non-stop driving to escape Earth's atmosphere. And that's just our cosmic backyard. Astronomers have been whispering about a mysterious planet X lurking in the outer solar system for years. Well, guess what? It finally decided to show up. This icy giant far beyond Pluto is a loner, content to orbit in the cold, dark depths of our solar system. But don't let its chill demeanor fool you. Despite its discovery, there's still debate and skepticism among scientists about its existence. Planet X's potential discovery is a major win for science, a reminder that our solar system is still full of surprises. Ever wonder what space smells like? Don't ask me how they know, but astronauts say it's a unique aroma, kind of like a mix of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. Apparently, it's the dying stars and cosmic dust that give space its signature scent. So, the next time you're grilling out, take a deep breath and imagine you're floating through the cosmos. Just try not to get too hungry though, those space steaks are hard to come by. Beam me up, Scotty. It's a line we've all heard, but in 2024, teleportation took a giant leap from science fiction to, almost, reality. Thanks to breakthroughs in quantum physics, scientists have made significant progress in teleporting information. Now before you start planning your instantaneous commute, we're not beaming humans across the galaxy just yet. But the groundwork has been laid, and who knows what the future holds. Maybe one day, we'll all be saying goodbye to traffic jams forever. Want to gain a couple of inches without wearing high heels? Well, become an astronaut. It's true. When you're free from the constant pull of Earth's gravity, your spine decompresses, allowing you to stretch out a bit. But don't get too excited though. This cosmic growth spurt is temporary. Once astronauts return to Earth, gravity wins, and they're back to their original height. Still, it's a fun fact to pull out at parties. Space isn't just about exploring the unknown, it's also a giant science lab where the laws of physics get a little weird. In 2024, astronauts conducted experiments with liquid bubbles in zero gravity. And let me tell you, these weren't your average soap bubbles. These cosmic bubbles could chase each other, merge, and even change shape in ways that would make a physicist blush. For a while, people called Venus Earth's twin. Similar size, right? But trust me, that's where the resemblance ends. Venus is more like Earth's hot-tempered, toxic cousin you avoid at family reunions. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, and an atmosphere choked with sulfuric acid clouds, Venus is a planet that knows how to hold a grudge. Time to shatter another childhood illusion. Remember coloring the sun bright yellow? Well, it's time to trade in those crayons for some white ones. The sun, our local star, is actually white. The reason it looks yellow to us Earthlings is because our atmosphere scatters sunlight, making it appear more yellow, especially at sunrise and sunset. So, there you have it, another cosmic truth bomb dropped. So, there you have it, folks, the top 10 jaw-dropping space discoveries of 2024. From singing black holes to a wetter-than-we-thought moon, space continues to surprise and amaze us. Who knows what wonders 2025 will unveil? Maybe we'll discover life on a distant exoplanet or finally figure out how to travel at the speed of light. But one thing's for sure, the universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets. So keep looking up, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. The cosmos is calling.